Number 5.
The world's most innovative manufacturer of hand tools, presenting the 314 Set and Match System, a complete do-it-yourself workshop you can custom build to create your own layout and marking tool. The system starts with the patented 314 Set and Match ruler. One of Capro's most popular creations, the 314 Set and Match is a professional quality ruler with 2 sliding markers with a horizontal and vertical vial. This patented feature lets you easily measure, transfer, and mark anywhere. The 314 has clear and durable markings along the ruler's edge and angle markings on the ruler's face. There are 2 scales ranging from 1 to 30 centimeters and 1 to 60 centimeters with a 0-point marking for easy centering. The 314 Set and Match ruler comes in lengths ranging from 20-inch 50 centimeter model to a 48-inch 120 centimeter model. You can begin to expand the system with the 314 T-square accessory, which turns the Set and Match ruler into a versatile T-square with a built-in storage compartment and handy magnetic strip for holding nails and screws. The T-square head locks firmly into place on the end of the ruler in one of 2 positions: the ruler flush with the back of the square head or elevated for placing on a surface edge. A built-in ledge keeps the T-square head in place when the 314 is placed on an edge, allowing you to move the ruler with one hand and cut or mark with the other. Moving the 314 is easy with a sturdy handle which slides along the ruler's face and has an integrated auto-lock mechanism which keeps the handle in place for a sure grip. The 314 also has horizontal and vertical knife guides that smoothly slide along the ruler's edge and lock in place for a safe and accurate cut. The 314 Set and Match system is an ideal tool for a wide range of do-it-yourself jobs, including setting and aligning shelves, cabinets, mirrors, stencils, and wallpaper, marking and cutting long lines on walls, wood, drywall, and cardboard, marking and cutting angled lines, and much more. Capro's 314 Set and Match system, one of the most unique and smart do-it-yourself tools available. Be sure to see what
Number 4.
Whether you're refreshing your existing cabinets, adding hardware to new ones, or you're building a project from scratch, the Cabinet Hardware Jig from Craig makes adding knobs and pulls incredibly easy. The Cabinet Hardware Jig takes all of the guesswork out of the process, giving you the confidence to add the finishing touch to doors and drawers without worrying about the mistakes that can come from having to measure and mark every time, or rely on flimsy, inaccurate templates. The Cabinet Hardware Jig is packed with features that ensure your success, like adjustable hardened steel drill guides, a movable edge guide, and built-in measuring scales. Together, they ensure simple, repeatable accuracy that allows you to get the job done quickly and correctly with professional, quality results. Using the Cabinet Hardware Jig to install cabinet pulls is simple. Just position the jig's adjustable drill guides to align with the mounting hole spacing that matches your pull. The drill guides ensure that the holes are drilled straight, something simple templates can't do, so pulls mount perfectly every time. And those drill guides are made from hardened steel, so they'll maintain their accuracy no matter how many mounting holes you drill. Drilling straight holes for the mounting screws is important, but positioning those holes exactly where they're needed is critical. The Cabinet Hardware Jig makes that incredibly easy thanks to an adjustable edge guide. Simply slide the edge guide into position using the built-in measuring scales. Tighten the large wing knobs and the edge guide is locked in place. Then use the measuring scale or the centering window to finish positioning the Cabinet Hardware Jig exactly where the mounting holes are needed. Clamp the jig in place and drill the holes using an ordinary 3/16" drill bit. That's all it takes. Best of all, with the Cabinet Hardware Jig, you can easily repeat the process again and again with the same accuracy, the same confidence, and the same great results. So whether you need to mount a single knob or pull, or you're installing new knobs and pulls on an entire kitchen, the Craig Cabinet Hardware Jig gives the confidence to add that finishing touch yourself and do it successfully. For more information about the Cabinet Hardware Jig and the rest of our hardware installation solutions, visit us online at craigtool.com.
Number 3.
The Miterix Angle Duplicator from Bora Tools is the fast and accurate way to find, set, and fit molding and trim work. This simple tool can be quickly set to measure virtually any inside or outside corner. Corners in actual buildings are virtually never exactly 90 degrees. But the exact angle does not need to be known. The Miterix accurately records the physical corner, so knowing the degrees is not necessary. Once the angle is locked into the Miterix, one of the arms is removed, providing an accurate gauge that's exactly 1/2 of the included angle. The saw can now be set to the proper angle using the Miterix as the setup gauge. No math and no wasted stock. Both halves of the joint are cut based on the settings from the Miterix, resulting in a perfect fit even though the actual angle is never known. Homeowner or professional, running trim has never been easier than with the Miterix Angle Duplicator from Bora Tools.
Number 2.
As a woodworker, having the burrs allows me to create more abstract designs and take a raw piece, refine it with the utmost control. And with the burrs, I can get into places that I couldn't get in with any other tool. I feel like the burrs really allows me to shape any project I'm working on into a very unique shape, a very organic shape that has a real genuine flow to it. I feel like it allows you to come up with an overall finish that can't necessarily be replicated by any other machine. There's no other router bit, shaper, or machine that allows me to do what a cut saw allows me to do.
Number 1.
The kindling cracker is the easiest and safest way to split perfect kindling for your campfire, stove, fireplace, or pizza oven. To make perfect kindling, place a piece of firewood inside the iron safety ring and strike with a hammer, mallet, or another piece of wood, driving the firewood down onto the splitting wedge. Built of high-quality cast iron with an award-winning patented design, it's made to last for generations. Plus, there are no moving parts, so it's virtually maintenance-free. The solid cast iron has bolt holes for permanent mounting if preferred, making it the ideal companion for your backyard stack of firewood. When you need to easily and safely cut kindling, you need the kindling cracker. It's the safer, faster, and easier way to make the best kindling for your fire.